Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India is offering a cashback of 5,000 rupees on the purchase of the new Honda SP125. The cashback offer is valid only if you finance the motorcycle through one of Honda's partner banks including Bank of Baroda, Federal Bank, ICICI, Standard Chartered and Yes Bank. Currently, the Honda SP125 has two variants on sale. The entry-level drum brake version is priced at 75,010 rupees, while the disc brake version is priced at 79,210 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. The new Honda SP125 uses a new 125cc fuel-injected engine that is BS6 compliant and develops 10.72 brake horsepower and 10.9 Nm of peak torque. The commuter offering gets the ACG starter motor, a digital console and a 5-speed transmission. Kawasaki India has announced its price list for 2021 and the Japanese manufacturer has increased prices across its motorcycle range. The price increase varies from a minimum of 10,000 rupees going all the way up to 20,000 rupees depending on the model. The new prices will be applicable from the 1st of January 2021. The Kawasaki Z650 and the W800 get a minimal increment of 10,000 rupees, while the Kawasaki Ninja 650, Versys 650, Vulcan S and the Ninja 1000 SX all witness a price increase of 15,000 rupees each. Popular sellers like the Kawasaki Z900 and the Versys 1000 get the highest increase of 20,000 rupees. The increment though is only restricted to the road legal offerings, while the track only KLX range of dirt bikes do not witness a price hike. The flagship Ninja H2 range also remains unaffected by the price increase. The Delhi High Court has recommended the state government to give more time to motorists to obtain the high security registration plates and color-coded stickers. The High Court made the suggestion after addressing a public interest litigation filed by Anil Kumar, president of the Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee, who accused OEMs of taking advantage of the situation and overcharging for both the color-coded fuel stickers and the HSRP. The court mentioned that the sudden announcement has created panic among citizens of the national capital and this could help some people take advantage of the situation. The Delhi High Court further stated that advertising for mandating HSRP and color-coded stickers from August this year was not the ideal time. Meanwhile, the government website to apply for HSRP recently crashed due to the high demand, making it all the more difficult for motorists to obtain one for their respective vehicles. And on that note, here's wishing you a Merry Christmas from the Car and Bike family.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.